CapCut adds two types of watermarks to our video. The one in the video itself, like this, and the one at the end of the video. And I'm going to show you how you can remove both of them for free. First, we're going to remove the one at the end of the video. And to do this is so simple. Just come to the end of the video, tap on the logo, and click on delete. And if you don't want it to be in your video again, just I'm going to cancel this. Come here, click on this settings icon right here, and you can see add default ending. Here, just click on it and click on discard, and we've turned it off. You will not be seeing it as much in your video, because I've noticed that even when I turn it off from time to time, I still see it in my video. But if this happens, just tap on it and delete it. Here's how you can remove the second one from your video for free. For this one, you can choose where you want it to be. To do that, just tap on 1080p at the top of our screen and come down here. You'll see watermark and you see CapCut. If you're not using the pro version, you cannot hide it. So what we're going to do, you can choose where you want it to be, either at the top left, the top right, the lower left, or the lower right. Okay, so I'm going to leave this at the top left. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can remove this one. Okay, first, let me save this video so that I can use it to show you the second way. So first of all, just leave it as it is and save it to your gallery. So just click on export and it's going to save it. And I'll show you how to use that later. But for the second way, I'll tap on it and then I'll use my two fingers to just reduce it. Reduce it. Tap on your video, use your two fingers to reduce it. So you can see that the CapCut is no longer in our video, right? Okay, save it. So click on export to save your video to your gallery. Once it's saved, you go to InShot app. I'll click on videos, click on new. Then I will import the video I just saved. It's this one. I'll click on the green check. This is the video. I'm going to scroll through the icons below and I'll tap on crop. We're just going to crop this. Crop it out. And one of why I like this method is that it doesn't reduce the quality of your video. You can either use the crop or you can just choose, if it's for YouTube, just tap on 16:9, or if it's for social media, tap on 1:1. You can see that the logo is no longer there. It's for YouTube, so I'll just choose this and I'll click on the check icon and our logo is gone. But we still have a problem. We have the InShot logo. But one of the things I love about InShot is that you can remove the logo by just watching an ad. I'll tap on the logo and it brings this. I'll click on free remove and it's going to show me an ad for, like, I'm done watching the ad, and just click on reward granted. Click on it and our InShot logo is gone. This is the second way. Remember, I saved the first video. Let me add this so that I can show you how to remove it. Okay, this is the first video that I saved. To remove the CapCut logo, I'll click on stickers right here. I'll click on stickers again. I'll click on GIF and then I'm going to type subscribe. If this video is for YouTube, then you can use the subscribe button to cover it. Here are subscribe buttons that you can use. On CapCut, they do not have a subscribe button. They don't have this type of subscribe button to use for free. So here is it. Here it is. And you can see that it's still showing a little bit. To fix this, you make sure that you tap on your sticker and then drag it to the end of your video. That way the subscribe button will be throughout your video. Okay, so it's better to have a subscribe button in your video than the CapCut logo. But if you can afford to pay for CapCut Pro, please go ahead and use the CapCut Pro. But if you can't, you can follow these methods to remove the CapCut logo. And once you're done, you click on this arrow right here to save your video. I have a full video on how you can edit your video for free using the InShot app. InShot is super beginner friendly and is so amazing. And click on this video right here to learn how you can edit your video absolutely free using the InShot app. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up so that more people can learn how to do this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.